Hey, it's Mr. Peterson here. This is a short screencast on how to use the CGS lab for simulating fruit fly genetics. So head to the transmitting information page, click on this. It will take you to a login screen. So you're going to log in for the first time with some instructions for me. So click on this. You're a new student. The course ID is BSM, student account. I'll give you that. It'll be on the board, and this really determines the population you're going to explore. So period 1, or whatever the student account that I give you, you're going to be working in a group. So we have 2 people in a group. So this group is staff and staffine, or Bill Joe, Bill John, Bill John, and staffine. Okay, now, look at that, chromosome 3361. I'm going to copy that down, or I'm going to write it down on my bill. I'm going to copy it down, write it in my bill. I'm going to save it right here. Boom, chromosome 369. So, staffine and Bill John. Okay, I'm going to save those. Okay, yes, I wrote it down. Okay, I wrote it down. Now, in population 1, or period 1, you're going to be messing around with wing size. So some of you are going to be doing different things, different crosses. And the question is, like, how are you going to, here's the question right over here. Come on, where's the question? What's the model of inheritance best explains how a specific trait is inherited in fruit flies? So looking at what's dominant and what is recessive. So these are the different things you're going to be looking at. So we've got vestigial wings or apterous wings, veinless wings, or wild type. When you hear the word wild type, this is the normal fruit fly. Okay, so then we have ebony or yellow. If you remember, this is a male and this is a female. Females tend to be a little bit bigger in fruit flies than the males because they have to lay the eggs. And then lastly, Antennapedia, which they have like legs growing where their antennae should be, or here's the normal ones, the wild type ones. So these are the traits you're going to be exploring to try to figure out what's dominant and what's recessive in fruit flies. That's what the simulation is about. Gather some evidence, make a claim, support it with a really good reasoning and understanding of how things get inherited. All right, so wing sizes are, that's period 1. That's in student account period 1. Some of you are going to be seeing different things, but it's all the same kind of process. Click on Start Crossing. We collected 100 fruit flies, and we noticed that the wing size was segregating in the population. So we had some different kinds of phenotypes, different kinds of things we could see. Okay. All right, so just some stuff about the screen. Down here at the bottom, it shows you what the parents were. Parents were wild types. Okay. Up here, it tells you how many flies there were. We can sort by number. We can sort by wing size. Ooh, wait a minute. We've got different kinds of wings. Of the 100 flies, 53 of them were apterous. 47 of them were vestigial. So what does that look like again? Vestigial are these little wrinkly ones. Apterous. Neither of these flies can fly. All they do is walk around. Okay, so you need wings like these over here on the right to be able to fly. So we've got a different mixture of vestigial and apterous flies. So 53 of them are apterous, 47 of them are vestigial. So now I want to think about, if I want to breed flies to try to figure out, kind of work backwards, like how is this inherited? Which is dominant, apterous, or which is vestigial? So I could, so what I'm going to do is, so notice when I run my mouse, my cursor over the flies, down below it changes. So I'm going to start by taking a male apterous fly, put it over here, into a crossing vial. So a cross means we're going to allow them to breed. So there's a male that's apterous, and I'm going to grab a female apterous fly. Okay, so now I have a female apterous fly, I have a male apterous fly. If I change my mind, I can always clear them. I can take those out. Now I'm going to cross them. So I allowed them to breed instantaneously, and we have 86 flies. So of those 86 flies, how many of them are, ooh, look at that, 41 female, 45 male. Okay, I sorted them by sex. Now I'm going to sort them by wing size. So when I bred those two Apterous flies, all of them are Apterous. All right. So what does that tell me? Well, I don't know. Probably got to do some more work here. If I close this vial is down below here. If I close this one, that vial's down there. If I want to open those vials back up, all I do is click on them. Okay? And you can cross. So if I want to take one of these vestigial flies from this vial, or I'm going to take an Apterous fly. So I'll take another male Apterous fly, put it over here, and I take a. All right, so if I'm going to cross these, so I'm going to take, excuse me, looks like I took a male Apterous fly from there. I'm going to take a female Apterous fly from there. So you can get flies from different vials and cross those to get your results as well. So again, the question, if we go back to the investigative question is right here. Which model of inheritance best explains how a specific trait is inherited in fruit flies? So is it dominant or recessive? That's really what we're after, trying to figure out. So use this tool, gather lots of data, rather than waiting every 2 weeks. It's pretty easy to click and away you go. All right? So good luck with that. Thanks.